Welcome to Debugging JavaScript Step by Step, an autism-friendly coding tutorial where we'll go through exactly how to track down and fix JavaScript errors. No rushing, no jargon, just a calm, clear tutorial. We'll do this in 3 steps. Let's start with step 1, understanding error messages. When something breaks, JavaScript gives us an error message. It may look scary, but it's really just information. It tells you what went wrong and the file where the error happened, and often the line number where it happened. The most beginner-friendly debugging tool is console.log. By printing out variable values, you can see what the program is actually doing. Add these logs to narrow down exactly where the bug begins. A debugger, such as the one that comes with VSCode, is a tool for more advanced debugging. A breakpoint tells your program to pause at a line of code. You can then examine the code on and after that line, one line at a time, watching variables change as you go. To recap, errors are your clues as to what went wrong, console logs let you see inside your program, and breakpoints let you slow down and examine code line by line. Debugging is not magic, it's just careful detective work. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here, where I'll be posting more videos like this each week.